Blockchain transaction fees. Now, blockchain transaction fees. What it means is you to pay a fees. It's optional. Yes, you heard it right. Paying a transaction fees is optional in Bitcoin. As miners can choose which transactions to process or not, and therefore they process transaction with higher fees first. Now, what we are discussing in this chapter applies solely to Bitcoin, because in Bitcoin, this thing is like in it. That's why you see some people, once they transfer, it takes many days, and for others, it's like really fast. So the difference between them is transaction fees. So a low fees transaction will take more time to process, and by more time, I mean days, whereas others will be processed faster. Because fees are based on the size of the transaction storage, which is also dependent on the number of inputs in the transaction. Multiple inputs means the use of multiple coins in a cash transaction. Now, if you're mining or if you are sitting with a professional Bitcoin miner or Bitcoin trader, he will use the word input. Now, input in a transaction means multiple coins in a cash transaction. Example, I am sending you, like, let's say 5 Bitcoins. So they're like 5 different coins, right? Another level of priority is given to older unspent inputs, because as you know, Bitcoin is getting larger and larger. So the Bitcoins initially developed in the initial days, those older Bitcoins will be prioritized to be processed. A valid transaction have one or more inputs, and that's what blockchain transaction fees for Bitcoin is. Thank you.